is the refrigerator is in the defrost cycle. Okay, that's weird. But what's going on is the refrigerator is in the defrost cycle. Yep, it's actually normal. It's melting the ice that's at the evaporator, and it's draining down to the condensate drain. So nothing to be alarmed about. Just doing what it's supposed to do. But it definitely can freak you out. It goes into its little snap, crackle, sputter routine. But it's normal. No worries. It's the defrost cycle. Some of them are definitely a lot louder than others. This one's popping and crackling. But it's got a little coil inside there along the bottom, and as ice melts, if it touches that, then it splutters a little bit. A lot of times the coil is covered by a glass tube, so nothing to be alarmed about. It's normal. Okay, now the fridge is kicked into its normal mode, just kicked on as I happened to walk by, so that's good. Doing what it normally does. It's done with the defrost cycle. Again, the normal sounds of the refrigerator.